Namaste students, myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed 6M ZVC. We will discuss the topic cleavage and its type. Within few hours of fertilization, the fertilized egg undergo a series of repeated mitotic division which occurs in rapid succession to produce an increase in the number of cells without any addition to its volume. This phase is repeated division of the egg is known as cleavage or segmentation. Various types or patterns of cleavage. The repeated cleavage furrow produce a number of blastomeres which exhibit a specific pattern of arrangement. The following types of cleavage patterns have been studied in different mammals in various bases on the basis of cleavage furrow, on the basis of fate of germ layer, on the basis of arrangement of cell. Number first, on the basis of cleavage furrow, holoblastic cleavage, holoblastic equal cleavage and holoblastic unequal cleavage. Holoblastic equal cleavage, in this type of cleavage the cleavage furrow extends completely through the entire length of egg and bisects it into equal blastomeres. It occurs in microlethal eggs. Second, holoblastic unequal cleavage. In such type of cleavage, the yolk is distributed among the vegetal animal axis. The yolk is spread in the animal pole and gradually increase towards the vegetal pole. This first and second furrow is laid down similar to those as in holoblastic equal cleavage. Third furrow is not equatorial but towards the animal pole, producing 4 small cells in animal and 4 large cells in vegetal hemisphere called macromeres and micromeres. This type of pattern is seen in lower fishes and amphibians. Third, next, meroblastic cleavage or discoidal cleavage. It occurs in megalethal or heavily telolethal eggs which have enormous amount of egg. This type of cleavage present in a bird, reptiles, bony fishes, monotremes eggs and elasmobranchs fishes. Superficial cleavage. This type of cleavage occurs in centrolethal eggs, hence the early division occurs in the surface layer of the egg and cleavage furrow do not extend into a central yolk. In centrolethal eggs, the zygote nucleus lies in the center of the egg. It divides rapidly without the division of egg cytoplasm. As a result, a large number of nuclei are formed. This remains embedded in the undivided superficial layers of cytoplasm. The cytoplasm divides by furrow laid down from the surface towards inner side and separates into a large number of cells arranged around central axis. Second, on the basis of fate of germ layer. On the basis of fate of germ layer, the cleavage divided into following types. Number one, intermediate cleavage. Intermediate cleavage present in vertebrates. This type of cleavage in which future of blastomere is not predeterminate, is known as intermediate cleavage. Second, determinate cleavage. In some animals like ascaris, the blastomeres have a predeterminate future, that is, definite blastomeres are determinate to give rise to a specific part of the embryo. This type of cleavage is known as determinate cleavage. Example is ascaris egg. On third, on the basis of arrangement of cells. On the basis of arrangement of cells, cleavage can be divided into following types. Number one, radial cleavage. Radial cleavage in the in radial cleavage, the successive cleavage follow a cut straight through the X at right angle to one another so that the resultant blastomeres appears to be arranged radially. Example is Synapta X. Second, spiral cleavage. Spiral cleavage. It is a modification of the radial cleavage. In this, the mitotic spindles of the third cleavage in the four blastomeres are laid down obliquely and are arranged in a sort of spiral so that the four blastomeres of upper tiers do not lie over the corresponding blastomeres of lower tiers but between them. This type of cleavage is known as spiral cleavage. Example as annelids and molluscus. Thank you.